Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to fix a keyboard that isn't working on a Windows 11 PC. Whether some keys aren't responding or the entire keyboard has stopped working, I will walk you through several simple fixes you can try before replacing the keyboard. Let's get started. First, check the keyboard connection. If you are using a wired keyboard, make sure the USB cable is securely connected to your computer. If you are using a wireless keyboard, make sure it's turned on and properly connected to your computer. If possible, try connecting the keyboard to a different USB port. Sometimes a simple restart can also fix temporary keyboard problems. So restart your computer and check whether the keyboard is working again. These are basic troubleshooting steps. If the problem continues, let's move on to the next method. Right click on the Windows Start menu. Then select Settings. Click on the Accessibility tab. Scroll down. Then click Keyboard. Look for settings such as sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Turn off any of these features that you don't need. Or if filter keys is turned off, then turn it on and test your keyboard again. Hopefully this will fix the issue for most people. If it didn't work for you, then follow the next step. If you need to type while your physical keyboard isn't working, you can use the on-screen keyboard. In the same menu, you can find the on-screen keyboard. Just turn it on. You will now have a virtual keyboard that you can use with your mouse. Now, with your virtual keyboard, in the Windows search bar, type Find and Fix Keyboard Problems. Open it. Then click Next. Windows will now check for common keyboard problems and try to fix them automatically. Once the troubleshooting process is complete, test your keyboard again. If that doesn't fix the problem, let's follow the next step. Go back to Settings. Select Time and Language. Then if you go to Language and Region, here you will see the current language that you are using. Check the installed keyboard layout and make sure you are using the correct one. If you see a keyboard layout you don't use, you can remove it and add the correct layout again. If you click on the three dots next to it, you can go to Language Options. And here is your keyboard. So if your at symbol is in the wrong place or a specific key isn't working, it could be because of the country or keyboard layout. So you can go ahead and add another country's keyboard. So I could click the three dots and remove the UK one. Then I could go ahead and add the US one back again. Or you can click add a language. Now search for and select a second language. You can install UK English. Then test your keyboard. If that doesn't fix the problem, let's check for driver updates. Right click the Start menu. Then select Device Manager. Expand the Keyboard section. Find your keyboard in the list. Right click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for an available driver and install it if one is found. After the update is complete, restart your computer and test the keyboard again. Alternatively, click Uninstall device. Your keyboard will stop working temporarily. Then go to Action and select Scan for hardware changes. And Windows should detect your keyboard again. Or just restart your computer and that may fix your issue and completely reinstall or reset the keyboard. You can also check the keyboard manufacturer's website for the latest driver or software for your specific model. If you are still having trouble, try connecting your keyboard to another USB port or another computer. This can help determine whether the problem is with the keyboard itself or with your Windows 11 PC. If none of these methods work, try connecting another keyboard to your computer. If another keyboard works normally, your original keyboard may have a hardware problem and you may need to replace it or buy a new one. And if a different keyboard also doesn't work, the issue may be related to Windows, the USB ports, or your computer's hardware. And that's it. I hope one of these methods will solve your keyboard problem. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.